Hello smart viewers, how are you today? I'm Mr. Donald and today I'm going to explain you about simple present tense for the subject he, she, and it. Look at the pattern here. After he, she, and it is followed by verb 1 or infinitive plus s or es. Okay, the question is, how do we use s or es? Okay, example here. Do become does, go become goes. Why? Because the verb ends with o, so we use es. Then wash become washes, brush become brushes. Why? Because the verb ends with sh. Then teach becomes teaches, catch become teaches. Yeah, the verb ends with ch. And then fix becomes fixes, mix become mixes, because the verb ends with x, so we use es. Then kiss become cases, miss become messes, because the verb ends with s, so we use es. And then okay, stay become stays, say become says, just plus s. Well, it is different from study. Study become studies, carry become carries. Why? Because y is consonant. Okay, consonant, and it is preceded by consonant. For consonant plus y, so we use I plus es. I mean the y, letter y becomes I plus es. Different from stay and says here. Letter y is preceded by vowel. Okay. Then make and make become makes, walk become walks, swim become swims, open become opens, drink become drinks. Only s here, commonly. Well, we review from the beginning here. We use es, ya kita gunakan es apabila kata kerjanya berakhiran dengan huruf o. Do menjadi does, mengerjakan. Go menjadi goes, pergi. Kata kerja yang berakhiran huruf sh ditambah es. Wash menjadi washes, mencuci. Brush menjadi brushes, menyikat. Kata kerja yang berakhiran huruf ch ditambah es. Teach menjadi teaches, mengajar. Catch menjadi catches, menangkap. Dan kata kerja yang berakhiran huruf x ditambah es. Fix menjadi fixes, memperbaiki. Mix menjadi mixes, mencampur. Dan kata kerja yang berakhiran huruf s ditambah es. Kiss menjadi kisses, mencium. Miss menjadi misses, ketinggalan atau rindu. Oke. Stay ditambah s saja. Stay, stays. Say, says. Berbeda dengan study menjadi studies, carry menjadi carries. Artinya bahwa stay sebelum huruf y didahului vokal, maka cukup ditambah s saja. Apabila huruf y didahului konsonan, maka huruf y berubah menjadi i ditambah es. Di luar kategori yang di atas, contohnya make menjadi makes, walk menjadi walks, swim menjadi swims, open menjadi opens, drink menjadi drinks. Setelah ini di luar ketentuan di atas tadi, umumnya cukup ditambah s saja. Berbeda dengan yang kategori di atas tadi ya. That's why it is different. Oke, contoh kalimat sekarang. Contoh kalimat number 1. He goes home at 5:30. He goes home at 5:30. Dia pulang jam 5:30. My uncles works hard. My uncle works hard. Pamanku bekerja giat. She swims once a week. Dia berenang sekali seminggu. Mr. Sabar Subur teaches mathematics. Tuan Sabar Subur mengajar matematika. The student studies hard. Murid itu belajar giat. Well, it's clear, right? Now the exercise. Are you ready with the exercise? Okay, there are 10 questions here. Give the correct forms of present tense of the verb in parentheses. Oke, betulkan kata kerja yang dalam tanda kurung itu. Apakah sudah betul apa salah? Kalau salah, betulkan. Apakah pakai S atau ES? Ya tergantung dari subjeknya. Can you do number 1 please? What is the right answer? Rain or rains? Well, number 1 is it rains every day. Number 2, brush or brushes? Well, Henry brushes his teeth twice a day. Pakai ES karena berakhiran huruf SH. Then, the boy catches birds in the jungle. Pakai ES karena berakhiran huruf CH. Then, he pays the car with a credit card. He pays the car with a credit card. Pays langsung tambah S saja. Karena huruf Y didahului huruf vokal. Number 5. My mother comes home early. My mother comes home early. Langsung ditambah S saja. Oke. Contoh lain misalnya yang pakai ES. He goes home in the evening every day. Henry does his homework after school. Pakai ES ya. Apabila untuk orang ketiga tunggal subjeknya. Then Mary brushes her teeth twice a day. Okay. My uncle lives in London. Pakai S saja. My mother works in an office. Tambah S saja, work menjadi works. Sally carries her book to school. Sally carries her books to school. Sally membawa bukunya ke sekolah. Carries. Okay. I hope that it is easy and you can understand the lesson. And this is the end of our exercise in simple present tense using he, she, or it. Thank you very much for your attention. See you later. Bye bye.